In a major battlefield development, Ukrainian forces have successfully destroyed 2 Russian Mi-8 helicopters using FPV Kamikaze drones. Both incidents occurred in eastern Ukraine and were captured on video, providing another clear example of how low-cost drones continue to challenge traditional military aviation. The first video shows a Russian Mi-8 helicopter parked in an open field, apparently preparing for a refueling or transport mission. Several personnel can be seen moving around the aircraft when, suddenly, a Ukrainian FPV drone dives toward the target at high speed. Within seconds, the drone strikes the center of the fuselage, triggering a massive explosion followed by intense flames and thick black smoke. The helicopter, once a key asset for Russian logistics and troop transport, is left completely destroyed. According to Ukrainian military sources, the strike was carried out by a frontline drone unit using a long-range FPV drone equipped with a high-explosive warhead. The operation reportedly aimed to disrupt Russian helicopter resupply missions near Donetsk. The second video captures an even more dramatic moment. A Mi-8 helicopter being shot down while flying at low altitude. The footage shows the helicopter skimming above treetops when a fast-moving FPV drone approaches from behind. Moments later, the drone collides with the helicopter's tail section, causing a small but catastrophic explosion. The Mi-8 immediately loses control, begins spinning in the air, and crashes violently to the ground, erupting in flames on impact. A secondary explosion follows as the fuel tanks ignite, sending a column of smoke high into the sky. There is still no confirmed information on the fate of the crew, though early reports suggest few, if any, survivors. Russian officials have not issued an official statement, but several pro-Russian telegram channels have acknowledged the loss of a Mi-8 helicopter in the eastern sector. Military analysts note that this incident represents a turning point in modern warfare, where small FPV drones are now capable of engaging moving airborne targets with impressive accuracy. The Mi-8, originally developed by the Soviet Union, has long been regarded as one of Russia's most reliable utility helicopters, used for troop transport, medical evacuation, and battlefield resupply. However, in this war, it has become one of the most vulnerable targets due to Ukraine's expanding drone network. According to Ukrainian defense officials, Russia has lost more than 100 helicopters since the invasion began, including Mi-8, Mi-24, and Ka-52 variants. While many have been destroyed by short-range air defenses or man-portable missiles, FPV drones are now accounting for an increasing share of aerial losses.